Hi guys, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady and I'd like to welcome you especially to my YouTube channel. Guys, today without wasting any of your time, we're going to be talking about how to start a successful online business. Today anybody can earn a decent living doing an online business. Online business globally is $1 trillion business, like you know. In Nigeria, is also $1 billion business. So you can see the opportunities, you can see the windows are open. There's enough money to grab, there's enough space if you are interested in doing an online business. In this video, I am going to be sharing 10 steps of how you can start your online business successfully. The sweetest part of this is that you can be doing your job full time, or you can decide to hang up and join the online business full time. Anyone, it depends on your abilities. So grab your pen, grab your paper, and let's dive into this video, guys. Number one, for you to start a successful online business, you need to know your niche. Identify your niche. What kind of online business do I want to do? This is the first stage of starting a successful online business. What do I want to do? Is it e-commerce? Is it fitness or sports? Is it graphic design or digital marketing? You need to ask yourself that question. No matter the idea that you come up, you should be able to solve one or two problems in your community and also give value to your people, which at the end of the day you get paid. Guys, you need to also research about the business and know the demand of that business. You can find your niche through your skills and also through your abilities and passions. What do you like? Consider that the business might be passion based or profit based. And also know that your passion might not fetch you profits. So for you not to be disappointed, you need to know and consider all these things in able to achieve your goal at the end of the day. And don't join any business because Choma is doing this business and she is successful and you want to do the business. It might not favor you as well. So consider your ideas because Choma has her own ideas. So implement your own ideas in the type of business that you want to do. Number two, target your audience. Who are my audience? You need to know your customer base based on your demographic knowledge. What is their age? What is their gender? What is their income? What is their ethnicity? These things are important. You need to take them into importance. You understand? At least I thank God Facebook and Google Analytics, with all these things, you can be able to know who your target audience are. I remember when I wanted to start my online business, I was thinking that I had the idea of maybe, okay, I want to, do this and sell females things or all that. But unfortunately, it was not moving that way. I had to deviate, and now I have found my niche. Men's products, that is what I'm selling. I have few female products. Because if I have gone on with that female things, it's not going to work for me. But right now, the men things are working for me. And I know the age brackets and I even know their income. So I know that, okay, I cannot sell below this. If you want to take anything more than that, that means you need to order it directly from me. You understand? We need to book ahead so that I'll now get it for you. That is it. Then number three, you need to research your competitors. Who are your competitors? Because definitely you must have competition in your business. Competition is very, very good. It keeps you up to your toes so that you keep up with the trends. There are different bags, design and all that. If there's no competition, people will not be struggling now to now print out their own and this. There's the same cream. Everybody is trying to do his or her own. So that's competition. So you need to research what is their services, what is their products. You need to research how much are they selling their own, your pricing, and how are they running their business. You should also put all these things into place. You understand me? So at that time, you now know what is the gap they have. You can now feel it in the business as you are getting ready to start your own. Number 4, you need to create a business plan and acquire knowledge on how to run your own business. What is your business concept? What is your business strategy? All these things should be put in place if you want to run a successful online business. Some people don't even know where to go. And if you don't know, you need to ask questions. You need to look for information and find trends. Keep yourself up to date. It will help you now to push that your business to be success. Update yourself. What is up and all that. You understand me? That's how to move and make your business successful. Not other people are selling their own and you're there looking. You don't have a plan. You don't have any strategy. How do I get this thing? Social media is there to help you, assist you. Get your pen, put down all those things in writing and achieve them. Let them come to pass as well. Number 5, branding your business. This is very, very important. You don't need to give your business anyhow name. You need to research also about the name. Make your name, give your name an impression. Brand your business. Let there be a difference. Let it be unique and different from what you are seeing today. You understand me? From that, all those things can draw people. It makes people to recognize you. And you don't need to start explaining. Once they see that this is you, this is you. Do you understand? If you check Facebook, once you see that F or that blue, it's Facebook. Once you see Instagram logo or whatever, you know that this is Instagram. So let people recognize you the same time, like that. Then number 6, take care of your legal tax. Excuse me. You need to register your business, give your business a license. This is also going to help you to boost the confidence of your business and your customers as well. Go to the approved units like CAC in Nigeria and register your business so that people will not also hijack your brand. You can see some businesses, people will say, this is copyright. Hey, you do this, I'm going to sue you, I'm going to that. By the time you do all those legal stuff and all that, make your business official. Let people know that, yes, you are ready to do this and that inside your business. It also boosts the credibility that people will have. If your social medias also, if you can verify them, is a very good thing to verify. Get verified on Facebook, get verified on Twitter, Instagram, anywhere that your platform is, that you can handle them. Get it verified. It makes people have confidence in you that they can do business with you. Then the next thing I want to talk about is funding. You want to start a successful online business and you're not thinking about funding, where the money is going to come out from. You need funding. You need to save money in your accounts. Don't be waiting for somebody to give you money. First of all, you need to show people, yes, I am ready to do business, and they'll be able to now say, okay, let us assist you. Assistance. Save your money first in the bank and people can do crowdfunding for you. They can support you, do donations for you. You understand me? And also your family members, you can seek assistance from them and tell them, this is my idea, please help me. They can do that. But I don't advise you to borrow money in the first time that you're starting your online business, because in the first 6 months there'll be no profits. Yes, you will not see the profits until you are stabilized. Because when you borrow that money and you're not stabilized, people will start asking you, where is the money that you borrowed from me? And that time you'll be running up and down. How do you want to pay for the money? So start with your save up fund, crowd funding that people helped you, family members and all that, and people that you trust who can help you and assist you. Then number 8, we now talk about creating your website. This is another way. Your website is your home for the business. So like now, where do I want to see you? Some people, you don't even know where to find them, but your website is where your business home is. So you need to create a website, or you create your business platform like Facebook pages and all that. This is where your business sits. You need to create a domain name. Arrange your website, post your pictures, post your accomplishments, your phone number, and your content there. Quality photos and quality videos that you have can be there. And make sure that you are, infusing your share buttons to all the social media. So attach them there so that when you share, it will now go to different, sections of your platform, social media platforms. That is all you need. Another thing, number 9, is promote your business, create awareness, and market your business. Before you start a successful online business, if you don't tell people about your business, nobody is going to know what you are into. So you need to market your business, create awareness, do sponsored ads or word of mouth. You understand? You can even send messages inbox or people, shared buttons either on WhatsApp or Facebook, and tell them we are starting this, and you kick off. You need to create awareness, because if you don't do this, your business will be sitting there looking at you. Create content for advertisements. You understand me? And draw people to your brands. With that, they will know you. Because if you are not sharing anything, nobody will know that you are doing this. So you need to, pick up and be ready to market your business. If you cannot do that, you can also hire people that can do it for you. Hire marketing, people that can market your business and promote it for you. It only takes money. That's just it. The last but not the least, you're now going to launch your business. Congratulations, guys. So launching your business don't mean that you have arrived. This is where the work sets in. You now need to monitor your business, your daily activities, you understand, and make sure you are drawing brands to yourself. In the first time, it might not be easy, you understand. Let me not tell you that it's rosy, but with time, you will stabilize, you will balance, and you start enjoying that business. That is why it is very, very necessary and good to do what you can do, achieve your abilities, your ideas matters. I might like singing, but the singing is not working for me. And I try other things. You understand me? So that is how you run a successful business. Guys, if you enjoy watching my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch my videos, share, write your question on the comment section, and I'll be there, guys, to answer you. Yes, it's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.